my honorable guest, I, Alize Ahmed from grade 8, I want to talk about, because now that we're cultivating our middle school journey, which I wanted to talk about since I was young, which is the importance of unplugging from the digital world into a real world. You see, we live in a world where technology is around us. There's a phone in my pocket, and there is a camera right there. And do you even think about it that once you get into this digital world, you get lost in it and you get addicted, which is not a real thing. Do you ever think about it? That you're mindlessly scrolling through the social media feeds, thinking, comparing, and being insecure more and more. I think that it's not a good thing to be proud of. Because you see, real life connections matter. Whether you're spending quality time with your family, whether you're having meaningful conversation with your friends, or you're just simply enjoying your own reflection. So, let's take a moment, pursue our passion, studies for exams and everything, enjoy our little moments like buying an ice cream with your family, going on a vacation with others, which is a truly moment that enriches our life and nourishes us all. So, thank you. So, I want you to focus on your passions for once, because now that you're a teenager, we are at an important stage of personality development. Let's pursue our passions, work on others, be happy in simple my life pleasures. And I want to say that, let's remember the famous saying that technology is not about change. Technology is good when it brings people together. So let's enjoy the moment of our life and our passions and everything. Let's embrace our passions, let's study for exams and develop our personality so we can be a good person in the future. Thank you very much.